Good morning. Cat walking by here. What's up, Floyd? Just trying to keep Julia off the desk. My stuff is in your way. Oh, she's right over there. We're watching reflections. Of your own color. I have such soft papers, eh? Yeah. They sit on my books and papers. It's really bright. The temperature, however, is -10. Not too bad. It's still, yeah, no wind. Because I can't see the tree bush moving. What? Did I cause some sort of reflections? No, it's you. I'm wearing rings, that's about it. Goodness, that light is bright. That light, the sun, you know. Yeah. Well, I got the day classes done yesterday. All I have to do today is the night class. One night class. Because this week there's no Monday, family day. So that class is gone, so there's only Wednesday night. And it's a short night, so it's only 2 hours instead of 3. We're done at 8:30. That will be nice. I don't know what you're looking at, Floyd. Dust motes floating around and visible because of the sunshine. That's it. You're walking the wall, dear. It's because I have a lot of dust in here. Because I'm not a big duster. I'm not a big duster, I'm a little duster. So I did, after many hours of effort, get my reduced hours done. I have a harder time producing lesson plans for a week that's shortened rather than I do for a regular week. Yeah. Well, today I'm going to get the evening class done. Boom, it's done. I already have some stuff ready for that, so that won't take long. Then I should get started on my, blinded here, on my presentation. Then I'll be done. Please don't knock anything down. I had a good night's sleep. You're not going to try and jump on there. No, exactly, you're not. Tail flicking in annoyance. If I had a tail, I could do that too. Show annoyance. Flick tail, flick tail. Pound tail. I barely got it done. was finishing, late last night. Not like I have to. I can stretch it out. Why? It's a wall. It's always there. There's nothing on the wall. Of course, I have no eyesight, so I really, can't see what she sees. I can see the dust motes flying around in the sunshine, yeah. But she's not looking into this, I suppose. Maybe. I don't know. She's a cat. You're just being annoying to me. Yes. Messing with my stump. Oh, she's getting more annoyed. Come on. Move. Bouge. The tail. Get lost. Come on. Move. If you knock something over, get out. Get. I'm chasing you. Yes. Get. Move. 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 Go on, move. Yuck. Well, my stomach can growl like that. So much for 7 minutes of watching a cat be annoying. The Leafs lost again last night. They could have won. It was a scoreless tie up until shootouts. Can you believe that? They went into overtime, kept it scoreless. Goalies were great. New goalie for the Ottawa Senators, and our very reliable young goalie, Reimer, for the Leafs. So I think he's a good goalie, good permanent goalie. There's nothing there, and don't you look like you're gonna pounce. No pouncing. No pouncing. There's nothing here. Nothing, see? Nothing. He's gonna jump at something. And there's no place for you to land. So my son and I were trying to work out how we could, get together on Monday. But it looks like it's going to be, there's a winter storm warning for starting today into tomorrow. So Sunday into Monday, there's going to be 15 to 20 centimeters of snow. And it might come down in the form of a storm. So we'll see when it starts today. Coffee's not warm anymore. Well, not totally warm. That's it. I have to stop because I have nothing to say. She's still annoyed, intrigued, interested in her invisible things. It must just be the dust motes. Yeah, come on over. Come on over and I'll put you in the... Don't you bump my coffee. Yeah, it's her own tag. Reflections from her own tag. Yeah, reflections from your own tag. Which make you walk the walls. Come. Come away. Come. Toward me. Oh, yeah. Oh, oh, oh. Come. See, there she is. Looking. Her own tag is causing the reflections on the wall. Mm-hmm. Yes. Mystery solved. Okay. See you later. You're not going to keep